Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do party decorations for the new Little Mermaid. I actually purchased this mermaid balloon garland kit from Amazon. Make sure you check out the link in my description below. Make sure you tune in to the very end of the video. I do have my daughter Amia talking about the Little Mermaid and you don't want to miss it. Let's go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. To make confetti stick onto the balloons, you just rub it onto a surface. To blow up the 5-inch balloons, it's a little harder to blow these up, so I'm going to use the smaller nozzle attachment to blow the rest of those up. And here are all the balloons I'm going to use to make our mermaid balloon garland. Let's not forget about the mermaid tails. I'm going to go ahead and blow up the mermaid tails. I'm going to go ahead and try out this manual balloon pump. I usually don't use it too much. I usually always use the electric pump, but it came with the balloon garland kit. I'm going to go ahead and use it for the smaller foil balloons and also for the mermaid tail. The tail blown up, we're going to go ahead and get started with our balloon garland. The balloon garland strip, it has holes throughout. You're going to slide the tip of the balloon into the bigger hole, and then once you get that all the way through, you're going to go ahead and slide it over to the smaller hole. And you're going to go ahead and repeat this process, putting balloons in one by one. You can choose any order, any color you want to. In this case, I just put them in randomly. It doesn't matter how you want to do it. And you can go ahead until you get your balloon garland filled up to the length that you desire. And also, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. Now right here, I'm just taking the mermaid tails. I'm just putting them through the holes just to hold them, but you'll see it a little bit later. When I put the balloon garland up, I'm gonna go ahead and tape them to the backdrop. Let's go! We're getting ready to hang the backdrop. We're gonna get started and hang the purple curtain fringe up first. Now we're going to go ahead and hang our banner, this beautiful backdrop from Ariel from the new Little Mermaid. We're going to get that hung up just with some text. Now it's time to put up our balloon garland. Now we're going to use some string and also some tape. We're going to take some tape and attach the string to the wall, and this is going to help secure the balloon garland into place. I usually put one in at the end, in the middle, and then the other end. And sometimes if it's going to hang on the side of the wall, I'll put one on the side of the wall. You want to kind of get a gauge for where your balloon garland is going to go up, and then once you do, you use the string that you attach to the wall and you kind of just tie it around the balloons and tighten it up to hold the balloon garland into place. Now I'm adding tape to the back of the mermaid tail, and then we're just going to tape that up on the backdrop. Once I have the balloon garland in place, I'm going to go ahead and just add a few extra balloons in place. I did use this tape to add the balloons. You can also just use glue dots to hold the balloons up, but you just find where you want to put them, and then you put them on top of the balloon garland. And here we have it, the Little Mermaid party decorations. My daughter Mia talking about the new Little Mermaid.
I love the Little Mermaid movie, and my favorite thing about the movie is that at the end, the mermaid turns into a human too, and she stays like it forever, and whenever she needs help, she can come back to the mermaid land. I love the whole movie of the Little Mermaid, and I hope you see the new Little Mermaid movie too. I hope you love mermaids, because this movie is the perfect movie, and have the best day ever with the new movie.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Check out my other birthday party decoration videos, and have a royal day.